How do muscle spindles affect static stretching effectiveness? Imagine trying to stretch a rubber band and feeling it resist your pull. This resistance is partly due to specialized sensory receptors within your muscles called muscle spindles. These tiny structures play a crucial role in how your muscles respond during stretching exercises. When you perform a static stretch, holding a muscle in a lengthened position, muscle spindles are actively involved in sensing changes in muscle length and the rate at which that lengthening occurs. Muscle spindles consist of specialized intrafusal muscle fibers wrapped with sensory nerve endings. When a muscle is stretched, these nerve endings detect the increase in length and send signals to the spinal cord. This triggers a reflex response known as the stretch reflex, which causes the muscle to contract slightly to resist overstretching. The purpose of this reflex is to protect the muscle from potential injury by preventing overstretching or tearing. During static stretching, where a stretch is held for a prolonged period, the muscle spindles gradually adapt to the new length. This adaptation reduces the sensitivity of the stretch reflex over time, allowing the muscle to relax more fully. As a result, the muscle can be stretched further without triggering the reflex contraction. This process is essential for improving flexibility because it enables the muscle to lengthen beyond its initial limit. However, the effectiveness of static stretching can be influenced by the activity of muscle spindles. If the stretch is too rapid or intense, muscle spindles respond strongly, causing a quick contraction that limits the stretch. On the other hand, slow and controlled stretching allows the muscle spindles to adapt more gradually, reducing their reflexive response. This is why gentle, sustained stretches are often more effective for increasing flexibility. In addition, repeated static stretching over time can lead to a decrease in muscle spindle sensitivity. This means that with consistent practice, the stretch reflex becomes less reactive, allowing for greater and more sustained muscle elongation. This adaptation is beneficial for athletes and individuals seeking to improve joint range of motion, as it helps overcome the natural resistance posed by muscle spindles. In summary, muscle spindles act as a protective mechanism that limits how far and how quickly a muscle can be stretched. Their response can hinder static stretching if not managed properly, but with controlled, gradual stretching, their reflex activity diminishes over time, enhancing the overall effectiveness of flexibility training.